This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open VS Code and create a dedicated Resume Your Name folder so files stay organized. This prevents accidental edits later. Once done, open the integrated terminal with Control+ and initialize Git if you want version control. Git init is quick and reversible. Create a new file, Resume, MD or Resume. HTML, choose Markdown for easy formatting or HTML for precise layout. Make sure to save frequently. Autosave helps, but explicit commits or backups protect your progress as you begin the draft. You lay out your resume structure next. Add contact, summary, experience, education, and skills sections so content is scannable. If you chose Markdown, use headings and bullet lists. If HTML, create semantic tags and link a simple CSS file for spacing and fonts. This controls visual hierarchy. Install Markdown Preview or Live Server to see changes instantly and enable Prettier to keep code tidy. Once the layout looks right, iterate on wording and spacing. Small visual tweaks improve readability and ATS parsing. You finalize by exporting a clean PDF. For Markdown, use a Markdown to PDF extension or print to PDF from the preview. For HTML, use Live Server and browser print to PDF or headless Chrome for consistent results. Once done, test an ATS-friendly plain text version to ensure headings and dates remain intact. If things go wrong, check extensions are enabled, confirm file paths and CSS are correct, clear the preview cache, and validate HTML. These steps resolve most rendering or export issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.